Hey everybody, welcome to Cake at Midnight. Josh is back. Allison's back. We're gonna go deliver a wedding cake. Should be exciting.
No, exciting, not the word.
You gotta speak up so the microphone hears.
Exciting's not the word. Stressed out is the word.
Sure. You not ready?
I guess.
Putting it on there now.
This one, yeah. Hi. Good, how are you? I have the cake. Where do you want me to go?
You're going to want to back up, and then I can kind of guide you where you're going to want to drive, because I don't think you're going to want to walk it.
No, it's
I
heavy.
mean, unless you really, really want to.
No, if I can drive, that'd be great.
Yeah, so.
All right, let me turn around and
Yeah,
I'll
turn around. Yeah,
I'll
I
follow
forgot
you.
this stuff.
Okay.
Alright, time done looking.
Careful, the box is bigger than you.
We just showed up this morning. We're just neighbors that showed up and started drinking beer. No, we've been drinking since 9.
Oh yeah, that ain't bad. As soon as I'm done, that's what I'll be doing.
No, you've saved the day. I've given Ewing Photography all of your social media, all of your contacts, so that when he starts his vendor stuff, that you will get all right, awesome. Since he's out there shooting. But yeah, he's got all your contact, phone, email, Instagram, everything. He'll tag you. You'll get his shots. You get rights to everything. So all the wedding shots you can use if you want them. Here's their topper. And then these are the things that they save the day. Yeah.
Oh, those are so cute.
Yeah, no, I mean, as soon as I started looking at your stuff, I was like, where have you been all my life? Seriously. In this situation,
Is this table flat?
I mean,
Is this table flat?
assembling it
Feels like it's.
Man, you got your level. I have no idea.
Hope you enjoy it later.
Gardening station is going to go first.
I'm like not at the right angle. I just can't get it at the right angle for me to want to pick it up. That's my problem. I really don't want my hand up there.
It's not gonna work. Oh my god, it's so heavy, John.
Pick it up like that. Quit going from the front. That's the detail.
I know, but I can't.
I can.
Can you lift it and then?
Yeah, the back's fucked up. So. That's not bad.
I need to.
All right, walking out of here. Now we're heading home.
I did it!
Success. All right. What? Call that a success, huh?
It looks so pretty!
Yeah.
2 a.m. I was not so sure.
May not want to run over the.
It's hotter than hell right now. That grass is not going to grow. I do know about that too. Look at the pictures and the trees.
So it's like a travel thing.
Yeah.